Hello everyone, welcome back to an episode of our weekly series Market Buzz. Let's begin with the index Nifty. So index began its week on a positive note but failed to sustain above the major resistance of 15,900 levels. And then after we could witness some profit booking in index and it went on to hit initial support of 15,600 levels. For the week coming, 20 EMA will be acting as an initial support level, which is around 15,720 levels. Above that, index may move towards 15,900 levels in coming trading session. If index continues to move towards southward direction, then it may move towards 15,500, 15,450 levels. Moving on towards the next index, that is Bank Nifty. So Bank Nifty outperformed Nifty in the first three sessions of a week ended, wherein it retested the June month's high of 35,800 levels but failed to sustain at top and gave up all its initial lead and went on to hit week low of 34,860 levels in the final trading session. For now, index is seen consolidating in a broader range of 34,000 35,800 until there is a breakout on either side. Index will continue to trade within a range. 35,000 will be acting as a psychological support. If index fails to hold that, then we could witness it to move towards 34,500 and 34,000 thereafter. On a positive note, the index needs to take out 35,800 on a closing basis for a stronger upside later. Moving on towards the next segment, that is interesting observation, where we are going to talk about Nifty Reality Index. On daily scale, index has performed horizontal resistance breakout. Index continued to trade above initial support of a 20 EMA, indicating continuation of a bullish momentum. RSI is moving towards the northward direction with a positive crossover, indicating good strength in index. So above 367 levels, we expect index to move towards 375, 380 levels. Moving on towards the final segment, that is stocks. So the first stock we are going to talk about is JK Cement. On a weekly scale, stock is forming higher high, higher low formation. It has performed 4 months range breakout. A good volume could be witnessed at the bullish candle, indicating accumulation of stock. RSI is moving towards the northward direction with a positive crossover, indicating good strength in stock. So we expect stock about 3,110 levels to continue with its bullish momentum towards 3,390 levels. Moving on towards the final stock, that is Bajaj Auto. On daily scale, stock failed to defend multiple support layer of 50 EMA, 20 EMA and horizontal support. RSI is moving towards the southward direction with a negative crossover, indicating weakness in stock. A strong bearish candle could be witnessed below 50 EMA. So we expect stock future to move towards next major support of 3,800 levels. So that's all for this video. Thank you and have a profitable week ahead.